This is the unboxing of the Kenny Onions knife and tool sharpener. We've also bought the blade grinding attachment, you can see here. Well, I bought that because I want to do some freehand stuff too. I know you can do freehand on this by itself, but anyway, I wanted all the bells and whistles. This is a belt replacement kit for the, I think that's a blade grinding attachment one. Yep, it is. It goes up to 12,000. And this one is just for the sharpener itself. Yeah, there you go. And I've got two of those. Yep, boom. Anyway, I'll have a look in there. Let's have a look. It's very exciting. Bloody boxes. Look, you got this massive box for this. There you go. Don't know if you can see that. That says 32 Australian dollars. I know. So these are your belts. It looks like the finest one's fallen out. And you've got your assorted grits. And you can look them up. I can quickly go through them. They are stamped on here somewhere. And hard to read in this light. Anyway, you get the idea. So you got 120, X65, you got X22, X4 and 6,000. Then you got the 12,000 on the grinder attachment belts. Okay. Let's get started on the Kenny McOnion sharpener. So I haven't actually even opened this box yet. That's how good I am. I bought this last week. It arrived yesterday afternoon, but I wanted to save it for the video this morning. And I don't have my knife. Hang on a sec. Okay, back with the knife. The Miyabi-san 5000 DP. You can see my little unboxing video of that. It's actually quite blunt. I sharpened it once with a stone and it was very good. Then I did it again. Maybe I was just trying to do it a bit fast, and I seem to have blunted it, which made me go and buy something easier. So there's your well, how am I going to do this? There you go. Quick start guide. Yep. Blunted, dull, haggard, dull, ridiculously sharp. Well, I want to get into scary sharp. And the way I'll do that is with final stropping, but I'll be making my own leather strop in another video later on. So I've just ordered the leather, kangaroo leather. So here we go. Okay. I can even use that to strop on cardboard. Well, there we go. How exciting is this? Boom, boom. There you go, empty box. There's the machine. Oh look, it's already loaded with a strap. With a belt. Indeed. There we go. Now this is the, of course, the Australian version, so we're going to have an Australian plug and whatnot. And look at that, she's bolted into the cardboard. Oh, look at that, that must be the transformer or whatever you want to call it. Oh no, no sparky. And look at that, eh? All your belts, all the belts. You got your Ken Onion DVD, your bloody instructions. Oh, look at this. Right. User's guide. Da 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 da. Da da da. Yep. Your belts, show me them, and a DVD. Alrighty. So everything's all hooked up. I'm just going to go straight onto the grinding attachment. I'll do all that later. Alright. My grinding attachment, more look at that, eh? More cardboard, more instructions. Oh, a couple of funny languages there for those people overseas. Yep. More cardboard. Lovely stuff. Look at that. Someone actually sits down and designs this shit. Look at that, eh? Look at those belts. Look at that. With a nice Titan knob in there. And here is the accessory. Look at that, eh? Now, I don't know how much you're paying for them in America or England or wherever, but these are 174 Australian dollars, and that was from the cheapest guy on the net I could find. Yep, there you go. That's the unboxing of the Kenny McOnions. Kenny Onions. Kenny McOnion. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Onion, for getting Kenny in the picture, otherwise I wouldn't have this great tool. Alright. Sorry that it's in long shot. That's how I set. It's the first time I've done this, set this video up with my new JB tripod and arm. So anyway, there you go. Have a good day.